Hello everyone, and welcome to this new tutorial explaining my new add-on Packfold. I think from the name Packfold you can guess what this add-on can. So as you see here, I'm using the version 5. It works from, I started developing it from the version 4, so I guess from version 4 onward it will work without any issue. If you encounter any issue with the version you are using, please let me know. So we're gonna install it now. We go edit, pre-references, and then add-ons. Here from add-ons we go to this arrow here, install from disk, and we go where the add-on is located. So for me it is located here. I select the zip file and hit install from disk. Make sure this button here, the checkbox button, is checked, and then save pre-references. After that you will find the add-on in the side menu here, and to show that you have to press N from the keyboard, and then you will find this section of the Packfold here. As you see, our add-on is containing 3 main sections: the cut tools, the rigging tools, and then the fold mode. And to do that, or to start working with it, we have to import a die line. Okay, so to do that we have to import a DXF file from import AutoCAD DXF. But if you don't see this, you have to get it from extensions, pre-references, add-ons, and then get extension. You have to search here for DXF and then install it online, because in recent Blender files sorry, they made it they remove it from the built-in add-ons, and then you have to get it from here. So once you get it, install it, and then it will appear here in this or the formats that you can import. So I go to import AutoCAD DXF, and then I go to import a DXF to test, and then I don't need the cube, I don't need the lighting. I click on this curve here, and then you can see that I imported my die line. One thing to mention is you have to separate your cut and then the fold lines, so we can work with the Packfold. If you are not separating them in Illustrator or the software you're using for designing your packaging, you can do that in Blender if you are familiar with it. So here, as you see, my die cut is separated, and even the folds are also separated. So to start, I just need to select the cut curve, which is this one. And one thing also need to mention, which is about the cut fold. Your cut fold line, not the cut fold, the die cut has to be one curve and all closed. I mean, there is no gaps here between any of these vertices. So it has to be one line and separate and fully closed. So I go to the cut tools, and then I hit generate mesh, and with one click it creates me the die cut. Okay, so the next step is to do the folding. I select my cut mesh or the die cut, I enter edit mode like this, and then I select all my faces or all the everything, and then I come here and as you can see my folding lines, if I go to wireframe view, and then you can see them here, they are separated. It is recommended to merge them. So I exit edit mode of the mesh, I select all of them, and then Control J to make them as one curve. So I back to my die cut or the cut plane mesh, enter edit mode, selecting everything, and then in edit mode I click on the folds like this, and then I hit set folds like that. If I back to my cut plane, which is the die cut, and enter again to the edit mode, I can see now every face is cutted properly based on the folds. Alright, so our modeling is done. Previously I saw many tutorials showing how to model the die cut, and they spend a long time to do that, especially if they want to do it with proper topology. And to be honest, there is no need for proper topology. You can work with hang-ons like this and it works perfectly. One thing also to mention is if you encounter any issues while you're generating the cut mesh or the folds, and you see, let's say this face here has some small faces here, you have to merge them. So what I mean is, let's say when you hit the generation, it comes like this. What you have to do is select the main face or the bigger face, the small face, and then merge them with F. You have to do that because every face here or every fold has to be one face. Doesn't matter if it's an hang-on or a polygon or even a triangle, doesn't matter. It has to be one space or one face. And maybe I see here, yeah, you see here there is a very small face here. We have to merge it with the bottom one, like F. So now it is one face. If you don't do that, that small face will get a bone there when you do the rigging. Anyway, so let's stay here. Let's stay in edit mode. Let's go to the rigging section. What you have to do for the rigging section is just to set where is your front face. The front face is mainly the face that will contain the brand or the main information of the packaging design. The design. So every packaging design has its front face. So what we have to do here is just to select the front face of our design. For this die line, it should be this one because the folding will goes around it and from top and bottom. So I select this and hit generate armature rigging. As you see, the add-on smartly generate the rigging based on the face that we selected. So all these add-ons are added based on the face that we added. Okay, after we add in that, we have to switch to the fold mode. We click on fold mode, and then now we can start folding our packaging. So if you want to test, you can do it like this. And what was as you see, changing the value, rotation value of this face, all this face following, because the add-on also generate auto rigging and auto weight painting for each face with each bone, the respective bone. You have here some display option. You have to, I think this is very necessary to show the bone names so you can know what face you are rotating or folding. You see here face 1 left, it refers to this one, and all these bones are connected to this. So if I rotate the face 1 left, it will rotate also the rest of the faces. If I back to 0, it will rest like this. Stick display, it helps to hide the octahedral bones and make them just sticks like this. So maybe it's not very crowded, maybe better like this, or you can hide the bones after maybe you're done with the folding. Okay, we have full folding 90 degree. It works for some packaging, and maybe most of the packaging will need just 90 degree folding, but some faces in some cases they don't need or they need 0, they need 180 or something. So this is one button to full fold like this, and this is for rest fold. So yeah, yeah, you can, as I said, every face you can control from this section here of the folding. Yeah, you can rotate like that. You can do any folding in with the right direction here to reset the folding. One thing also which is very good in this add-on, it helps you to create animation for the folding. So if you want it to be animated, you press A for all the bones, you press I for the first keyframe for all of them. You go, let's say, to the frame 36 or something, and then you do full folding, and then you press I again for the another keyframe, and if you play your animation, it's gonna show how the cartoon is folded. I know here you see some faces are overlapping, and that's why we separate every section of the bones by direction: left bones, top bones, bottom bones. That helps you to fold the part by part so they won't overlap like this. So if, let's say, you want to fold the top faces first, you come here to the top faces. Sorry, you can just do it like this, 90. Now we do the top faces. I press I, and let's say here I go to the bottom one and then make it 90, press I. So if I play the animation, it will fold the top first. Sorry, top first. Yeah, I forgot to do the I to register the keyframe for the bottom one. 90 I. Yeah, and now I fold the top one and then the bottom one. If I want to do the same with left one, so I do the same with the left one. Let's say here 90 I. Okay, so you can see like this. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and this is just a quick demonstration of the Packfold add-on. See you in next tutorial explaining maybe another packaging folding with much more option, any issues maybe after the user tests it, or any advice or any things to consider before using or while using this add-on. We will record it in next tutorials. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you.